Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get your Amazon review link. This is particularly useful when you want to share a specific product review you've written with friends, followers, or on social media. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through this simple process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll need to access your account settings. To do this, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From there, click on Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage all your Amazon settings and preferences. Now you'll need to scroll down through your account page. Keep scrolling until you spot the option that says Your Content. This section houses all the content you've created on Amazon, including reviews, lists, and other contributions. Click on Your Content to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Your Content section, look for the Create Content button and click on it. A menu will appear with different content options you can create. From this menu, select Review. This is where Amazon stores all the product reviews you've written over time, making it easy to manage and share them. Now, I don't have any reviews right now, but I'll show you what happens next. Once you're viewing your reviews, simply click on the specific review you want to share. This will open up the full review on its own dedicated page. This is the page that contains the unique link to your review. Here's the final step. Look up at your browser's address bar at the top of your screen. You'll see a URL displayed there. This is the direct link to your review. Simply click in the address bar to highlight the entire URL. Then right-click and select Copy, or just use the keyboard shortcut to copy it. That copied URL is your Amazon review link. You can now paste this link anywhere you'd like, whether that's in an email, a social media post, or a message to someone who might find your review helpful. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your Amazon review link, and you're ready to share your thoughts with the world. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.